Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable device controls as a shortcut on the lock screen and how to disable it in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, we're looking for our phone's settings. Then in settings we need to go to home screen and lock screen menu. Next we need to scroll pretty much all the way down to lock screen shortcuts menu. And here we have a few options that we can choose from. So first of all, at the top we have the preview. We have digital assistant here, we have device controls, flashlight, QR code reader, and the option to disable them all. We are interested to have a device control. As you can see, now it will be on the lock screen, or we can disable it by choosing the none option. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.